Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use the Content Aware Fill tool in Adobe After Effects to remove unwanted elements from your video clips. In this example, we'll remove a Jeep from a scene. Let's get started. First, select the clip you want to work with and choose the Pen tool. Use the Pen tool to draw a mask around the element you want to remove. Make sure to include any shadows in your selection. Next, we'll track the mask so it follows the movement of the object. Under the mask settings, change the mode from Add to None. This allows us to follow the mask outline as it tracks. Right-click on the mask and select Trace Mask to open the tracker options in the right side panel. In the tracker options, under Method, select Position, Rotation and Scale. Then, click the Forward Play button to start the analysis. After the tracking is complete, change the mask mode to Subtract. With the layer still selected, go to Window and choose Content Aware Fill to open the Content Aware Fill options in the right side panel. Under Method, choose Object and select Subtle under Lighting Conditions. Next, select Work Area under Range and press Generate Fill Layer. Wait for the analysis and rendering to be completed. This will take a long time depending upon your computer. That's it. You've successfully removed an unwanted element from your video using the Content Aware Fill tool in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.